Alright, some more parts. 5 more boxes. Let's see what we got this time. It says fragile. Yeah, maybe. Let's see, how do you get into this box? I don't know, too much crap in there, I can't see a spot. Ooh, did good job. Right there, that's a good spot. There. Okay, it opens that way. Oh! Tail light. Ah! Freshly broken. Not by me though. Oh, oh, there's the piece. Shipping damage. Yeah. There you go. Shipping damage did that. So did I break it, or did it come broke by somebody else? We don't know, but it's broken now. Oh well. It happens. So, genuine light. Made use of by guide. So it's missing the rubber in there I like having. So, I don't know if it's an early or late one, but it's definitely broken now, so that has to be welded up and remachined to make it good. It's got a Harley lens on it. I paid a lot for this. Yeah. Got broken in shipping. Oh well. The way it goes. So I don't know if this one is the early one that has the screw-in holes, or it has the late one where it's not. It's riveted together. You have to measure between the holes to see which one it is. This looks like it's pretty wide space, so this might be the early 48-49 one. It's got a nice lens. The lens is original. I like that. It's all glass. Yeah, that could have been a good light if it wasn't broken. Oh well. The way it comes. See what else is wrong with it. I don't care about the cracked lens. That's not a reason not to run it. It's not one of those fake ones that they make nowadays. It's a real one. There you go. Looks like it's all there. Put a little glue on that, put it back together, call it done. It looks all original in there too. The rubber doesn't look original, but this looks good. No bulb in it. It's chipped a little bit right there, but that don't hurt anything. Yeah. Looks like it's pretty good condition. I wonder if there's threads in there, they're stripped out. Yeah, there's some threads in there. Alright. Yeah, too bad it's broken. Oh well. Oh, it's the original one here too. Look at that. It's got the numbers inside there. That's how you tell it's original. It's not bent either. That's a nice one. Yeah, a little bit of bend on the top there. A little bit over tightening. It stretches the metal right through here when you do that. So you can push them back down a little bit, but it kind of makes them pretty wavy when you do it. I'd probably try to straighten it just lightly, but don't get too carried away. This is just die-casted pot metal, so it breaks real easy. It's probably best not to do anything with it, but that's just not the way I do things. I like butchering stuff. So it's not flat. Not too far out. Looks worse than it is. Yeah, it's just barely out of flat, not too bad. Best to leave it alone. But this is junk, so, well, it's not junk, you just have to fix it. You're not going to glue that back on, it has to be welded back up and then cleaned all up and then be good as new when you're done, but it's going to take a little bit of work. And it's a nice one too, it's a nice good edge all the way around it. Yeah. Everything's here except for the rubber that goes in here for the wiring protector. It's not even corroded at all. It's nice. It's a nice light. Too bad it's broken. Oh well, the way it goes. Things happen. Yep. I'll take this nice black one and put it on another light that I have, and I don't have to worry about it being broken. We'll make a good one out of it. I'm gonna take this and put it inside so I don't lose it. That didn't work very well. I can tell it's original lens here too. See all the writing around the edges in here. So it's another way of telling all this stuff's original. It's full of writing all over the place. Those repop ones don't have all that junk in there. So hot glue gun that sucker back together, and it'll be plenty adequate for my bike. Plenty adequate. And it's black, so that's a good thing too. I like black ones. So I'll just put it against a good black tail light. It'll look good. Now this has just become a parts light. So that's going to keep falling through that big ass hole right there, I think. So you just go like that. Sticking it like that, you won't lose it. Good enough. Yep. Yep. And a third rubber in there would be good. So, like I said, we use this as a parts tail light. I have plenty of other bodies that I can use that are original. So. One advantage you buy enough of this crap, if you get enough good parts, you can put together a good light. And then the leftover crap, you put reproduction parts on it, and you see how great it is because it's got a Harley lens and all that crap on it, but it's actually fake stuff, not real. But that's why they're cheaper than the ones that are made correctly. So, there you go. Parts that look good. Too bad it got broken. Wasn't packed adequately. Oh well, there you go.